They said they live off of animal blood. And you believed them? Look at me, Dean. They let me go without a scratch. So you're saying... Oh, man, no way. I don't know why they let you go. I don't really care. We find them, we waste them. Why? We're vampires, don't you understand, Sam? If it's supernatural, we kill it. End of story. That's our job. No, Dean, that is not our job. Our job is hunting evil. And if these things are killing people, they're not evil. Of course they're killing people. That's what they do. They're all the same, Sam. They're not human, okay? We have to exterminate every last one of them. No, Dean, I don't think so, all right? Not this time. This is for a cure. No, it's good.